Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Yorobun. Come back with me, Adinda Trisatian, who will entertain for you all and provide interesting information about destination and other tips. So for topic today, I will provide information about tourist destination in the world. One of them is South Korea. So for all of you who really like this country, for ginseng, I have seen and read there are many who want to stay there for a long time and just have a vacation. Why is that? Before answering, I will give a little information what I know about South Korea. Although I've never been there, but I have been looking for a lot of information. So don't wait long and let's start. The popularity of South Korea as sport tourists continues to increase thanks to promotion through music, movie, arts, and culture. This country in the Asian region has become one of favorite destinations for many tourists, including from Indonesia. This country with natural scenery and thick traditional culture is indeed also very ideal for tourist destination. Starting from natural tourist destination and cities with various night views to culinary delight that also is quite delicious to try it. There are many tourist attractions can be visited, such as Seoul, which is full stories and unforgettable experiences. Besides that, there are many interesting place for you, friend. So just go anywhere and stay tuned. Okay, friends, I will show you some destination in South Korea. The first is Gyeongbokgung Palace. Friends, here you can take a picture with royal backgrounds led by King Sejong. And secondly is Han River. Han River has a beautiful view, especially at dusk. An activity that can be done is take a picture, playing with family, playing with friends, jogging, cycling, picnic, and others. And the next number 3 is Namsan Tower. Friends, in here you can see a beauty of Seoul from above, and you can ride a horse on padlock on the top of the tower. And the next destination is for Korea lovers. You can come to SM Choice Atrium Center. In here you can shop many K-stuff, and if you like it, you can meet with idols. And there is malls and cafe. Next, there is a lot of word playgrounds, beach, natural tourism, and beautiful view of Seoul forest. Uh, there are many still tourist destination can be visited. Besides that, friends can shop at Dongdaemun Market and can taste street foods on Hongdae streets. And some friends ask to me, when is the right time to go there? Friends, you can go there at any time, but in my opinion, come in autumn. Between March until May, because the weather is warm enough, not stinging cool and hot. Okay, next for Korean drama lover. Friends, I know some of you think you won't live in Korea, that life is beautiful as Korean dramas. But it is all wrong, because life in Korea is not beautiful as Korean dramas. If you don't believe it, let me explain. Korean people are not unfriendly. Why that? Discrimination is so blatant that many Korean people choose plastic surgery as a middle way. Even two people who wear hijab, they always look at them and they look very dislike that treated. When a stranger asks for help, they will leave and don't care. Furthermore, bullying cases in South Korea are among highest in the world. In this country, students who have bad looks, they always bullied by their friends. Apart from students, in the world of work, cases like this also often occur. Some of the target people of bullying who are unable to withstand the pressure usually stress out and then they kill themselves. Korea is also famous for scary country. There is several stories such as ghosts of a woman who like whisper at night, spirits who come because they are not calm, virgin ghosts in empty buildings, haunted bathroom, and there is even one place, namely Park on Hongdae Street. Every night, children often hear small cry, and the child toys move on its own. And in Korea, it's difficult to find comfortable and cheap place because sometimes the people who own the place are bad people. Life in Korea is though it's hard to undergo education because education in Korea is very important to get college. So friends, if you want to study there, you must study hard because they like study until late at night. If possible, they never sleep and keep learning. Usually, they often sleep 4 hours a day. Looking for a place for live is difficult. Looking for a job also difficult. Plus, salary in Korea is small. Working in Korea also costs an hourly minimum wage, which is the same as the cost of one meal. Lastly, Korea is famous for violent murder cases. Many say psychopaths came from Korea. And so friends, you always must be careful. And this is some information about destination and life in Korea. So to answer the question early, I suggest friends to take vacation there rather than stay for a long time. Because actually Korea is very hard country. They like to live alone to survive. I hope so first the information from me, hopefully it helps answer friends' question about South Korea. I hope you like this video today and we can meet in the next video. So the last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and see you 여러분.
마음에 준비를 해 yeah. 생각날 때마다 기도해 yeah. 갈 길이 머니까 우린 끝이 없어 보이니까 줄이 yeah. 나는 wanna tiptoe 깊어지자 위로 앞을 향해 big jump 이거 봐 나를 믿어도 천천히 더 We gon' make it